Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time I came to this channel. I think over a month now. I've not been available on this channel and I'm sorry for that. So in this my new video, I'm here to introduce to you a new product I got from FBH Cosmetics. FBH Cosmetics is a Nigerian brand and they are great. So I got this package a very long time ago and I made this video a very long time ago for the purpose of bringing it down to YouTube, but unfortunately I got hooked up with something else and it could not make it here on time. Enough of the long introduction about the product. Let's get into the video right away. So you all know that the first thing I do is deep cleansing. I cleanse my clients or my model skin thoroughly. Why I am using this particular face cleanser is because I want to show you how the product is. So this particular model came into the studio and I noticed her skin wasn't that smooth. Like she has this little I don't want to call it rashes, but you know what, the skin is not smooth. Let me just keep it that way. Okay, so I went in with my scrub. I scrubbed her face to take off dirt and also to open her pores and also to kind of soften the skin before I went in with the face cleanser from the FBH, and I further cleansed with my, what's it called, Tears toner. Then I went in with the moisturizer and now I am going in with Embryolisse moisturizer and also a primer. So for those that are kind of not able to purchase the snail serum, this FBH cosmetic moisturizer and serum is an alternative for you. Like if you know the Korean, that's the cos RS snail serum, and the moisturizer is quite expensive for you, you can switch to this Nigerian brand, the FBH Cosmetics. So you can get it. It serves same purpose and the quality it's good. So I tried this FBH foundation because they also gave me this foundation and they gave me just one foundation, and the foundation was undertone but not a skin shade. So the foundation has a undertone but not a skin shade. So to match up the foundation to match her skin, I went in to mix it with the V Beauty foundation, also a Nigerian brand. So that was how I was able to match up the foundation to perfect, like to get the perfect skin finish. Then I went in with the setting spray to set the foundation into place and also to melt it into skin, and I used the all-nighter setting spray from FBH Cosmetics. I went ahead to dry up with my fan before I added blush to our skin. So I prefer using my brush that I use to apply foundation to apply blush. I just experienced it or explored this, and it really worked because it softens the blush and make it easy to diffuse into the skin, and also because there's foundation on the blush, it will just blend easily. Then to highlight our under eyes, I went in with the Nuban concealer. And I hear a lot of you guys say you have Nuban concealer and you don't use it because you don't know how to use it or you don't like it. My dear, this concealer is so good if you know how to use it. It's a lightweight concealer and it's hydrating, it's not mattifying, like it does not dry on time. So if you want it full coverage, just apply the concealer and leave it for a while before you blend and come and see the coverage. So try this and thank me later. Then I went ahead to preset using a powder that matches our under eye, a lighter shade of powder, mind you, to preset our under eyes, to prevent it from caking, and to prevent creases under the eye before I go in with a full face powder, like a real shade of powder. And for blush, I'm going in with this Bicham blush palette. So I just picked one shade there and apply. This blush is very pigmented. Then for powder, I'm using the Polar Beauty powder to apply under our eyes also. I think that's the same powder I used previously under the eyes. So I just apply that gently to avoid creases and also to blend out the blush, like the edges of the blush, to make it feel like skin and to prevent harsh lines. Then I went in to use a powder for our nose contour, just to add dimensions to the nose and to define the nose, make it pointed. Then now I'm going in with the setting powder, and I just applied very little setting powder first so that this can act as a base for the baking, so you have to set the skin to further dry up the concealers before you go ahead and bake. And I'm using the nuban powder to bake under our eyes, like to bake under our eyes. So don't forget, there are three ways to do this. You preset, you set, and you bake. You preset, you set, and you bake. So the third stage is what I just did. I baked. Then I went in to draw our eyebrows, to define the brows. Eyebrows were kind of difficult for me. It took me a long time to properly draw her brows. She had a very thick hairs, and the brows just wearing, like, it was kind of difficult. I don't know, if you're a makeup artist, you should know what I mean. It was difficult for me, and it took me a very long time to get our brows done. And I went in with my brow tamer, like the brow gel that I use to outline a brow. I use that as my eyeshadow base, and I'm going in first with this eyeshadow from the Annie's Beauty Brownie palette. Yeah. So this is their brown palette. I went in with the first shade to blend out the brow gel that I use, and also to serve as a crease base before I went ahead to smoke the eyelid with the dark shade, the black shade on the Annie's Beauty palette, because I'm going to be applying pigments, and for my pigments to pop out, I love using dark base for pigments. Like if I'm going to apply pigments on eyeshadows, I love using dark base. So this is me adding the pigment glue, and I went ahead to add the first pigment from Luster Sugar palette. It's a palette with pigments. You have different shades in it, so I picked just one shade, and the shade I used is kind of giving this chrome effect. So then I went in with the other with another single pigment, a small one in the cup, and I applied, I think it's Flora. Then the next pigment I used is Ivory. So the last pigment is just for the eyeshadow to pop out more. So you can use as many pigments as you want if you know how to place them properly. You can use as much as you want if you know how to place them properly, and if you know how to combine colors that will look great on skin. So I further went ahead to use a black eyeshadow to just smoke the edges of the pigment, like to blend it out to avoid harsh lines. And I went ahead to line her eyes, and I'm using the Carrot Black Gel Liner. That's my favorite, and it's pigmented. So guys, if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the right corner of your screen. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because here we teach a lot. Like, we teach and we don't hoard informations from you. And if you check through all my videos, you will see I reply comments and give answers to everyone's questions. Okay, so do well to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys. And while I was away, a lot of my subscribers sent me message Joanne, we haven't been seeing you on the channel. What is going on? I appreciate you guys for coming to my WhatsApp messages and also other parts of my social media to check up on me to know if I'm doing well. Thank you so much. And many of you, I understand that you will want to gift me. Please ensure you use the gift button on the channel to gift me if you like to gift me. Someone even said I should send my account number. I felt so happy that day. I was impressed because I was doing this stuff and I felt like people weren't seeing it. But for someone to just send me a message and wanted to gift me, requesting for my account number, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys because I felt like I was putting on efforts and the effort wasn't, yielding results. But thank you very much. Okay. So I already did a lip and I used I think 3 shades of lip stain to achieve this lip. So guys, this is the final look and I went ahead to spray her face, and I'm using this sweat lock from FBH Cosmetics. It's just like the Sopro, Sopro Silly spray, so it serves the same purpose. And yeah, it's the final look, guys. So tell me in the comment section what you think about this look. Is it beautiful? Is it matching with our skin?